G'day, in this video I'm showing you how to make easy flatbread. This is reel 1 of 4 where I'm showing you how to make a chicken and avocado cornflake crumbed wrap. Ingredients you'll need: self-rising flour 1.5 cups, a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt and 1 cup of natural yogurt. Now you're going to add the flour to the bowl and then you're going to add the baking powder and mix it together. Then you're going to add your pinch of salt and your yogurt and you're going to mix it together, and then you're going to knead for 5 minutes, and then you're going to wrap it up in some cling wrap and let it sit for about 20 minutes like I'm doing here. Knead. Then I'm going to wrap it up and let it sit. How beautiful and soft is this dough? So once it's been sitting, you're going to heat a pan of your choice with some oil. You're going to roll your dough in a log and cut into about 5 pieces. Then you're going to roll it out with a rolling pin like I'm doing here. So easy to make, guys, and you could literally have anything in these flatbread wraps. There you go, cooking away, and just like that, it's all done. Give it a go, guys. Now for the next video.